Good morning, informed beauties. So I'm going to be giving you guys a updated video on how I deal with irritation from baking soda. So I'm just going to show you guys what I use, the process of healing my underarms. So let's get into this. All right, so there are two things that I use to help with this underarm irritation, especially every day, especially after I get out the shower, is coconut oil. Unrefined organic coconut oil has a lot of great antibacterial properties. Number one, it's very moisturizing, and it's also going to keep you like fresh underneath the arm while you're not using any deodorant. It's going to help to heal the skin as well. So I use this 1 to 2 times out the day, especially after I shower. So I stand by coconut oil. I've been using this forever, especially when I first started out on when I first started out on my journey of switching over to more natural deodorants, and I encountered baking soda and I had started irritation from baking soda. Coconut oil has been like my best friend. So this is the first thing that I use and consistently use until my underarm heals up. Okay, and then the next thing that I use is some tea tree oil. Now I don't use it as often. I'll probably use it once every other day, and I definitely mix it with the coconut oil. Now tea tree is an antiseptic, so it's going to help to keep away any bacteria as well as to help heal the skin as well. So a little bit of this goes a long way. Now, we talked about tea tree so much on this channel. You guys should be very familiar with this product. This is my holy grail. This is my right hand man, okay? So you should know that tea tree oil is, of course, something that is in my rotation. But to circle back, if you need to help to heal up that baking soda irritation, stop using your deodorant, stop using whatever you're using, and just put coconut oil on the underarm until it heals. And it's just going to help you keep your underarms fresh as well, because coconut oil keeps away any odor as well. So it's like a 2-in-1, so you don't have to worry about, you know, being funky. But definitely a little bit of this goes a long way, and this is your best friend. Okay, so that is what I use to help clear up my skin when it comes to baking soda irritation. Hopefully that was helpful to you guys, and I will see you in a later video.